Hi friends, I am Ashrafli and today we will discuss about Essence in LaTeX software. Essence. LaTeX has wide support for many of the world's s- scripts and languages through the label package and related support. This section does not attempt to cover all the that support. It merely lists the core LaTeX commands for creating accented characters. The capital commands produce alternative forms for use with capital letters. Backslash double quotes backslash capital capital DRSs produce an unmodulated DRSs as in O double dot backslash quote one quotes backslash capital acute produce an acute accents as in O comma. In the tabbing environment pushes current column to the right of the previous column. Backslash dot produces a dot accent over the following as in O dot. Backslash equal capital macron produces a macron overbar accent over the following as in O bar. Backslash cap, backslash circumflexive backslash capital circumflexive produce and circumflex hat accent over the following as in o hat backslash grave capital grave backslash capital grave produce and grave accent over the following as in o grave in the tabbing environment move following text to the right margin backslash tailed backslash capital tailed produces tail accent over the following as in and tailed backslash b produces a bar accent under the following as o bar backslash c or backslash capital sandilla produces a sandilla accent under the following as in c cindy and backslash d backslash capital dot accent produces a dot accent under the following as in o dot backslash h backslash capital hungarian lot produces a long Hungarian umlaut accent over the following as in o double comma or Hungarian lot backslash I produces a dotless I as in I backslash J produces dotless J as in J backslash K or backslash capital ogonic produces a letter with ogonic as in O backslash R or backslash capital ring produces a ring accent as in O static backslash T backslash capital tie backslash new tie backslash capital new tie produces a tie after accent as in O left square bracket the new tie form is centered in its box backslash u or backslash capital breve produces breve accent as in O breve backslash underbar not exactly an accent in this produces a bar under the argument text the argument is always processed in horizontal mode the bar is always a fixed position under the baseline thus crossing the throw descenders backslash v backslash capital Karun produces a high kick accent as in O groom. Now we will go to the LaTeX software. Here these are commands bullet and view. Here commands are used and friends, thanks for listening me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.